Okay, we're starting with a new smart home. We were doing the Keys Studio smart home. We're still working on that one, but I found a new board that connects directly to the internet that will go on a new home kit. This one is by Elecfreaks, and we're showing that this board connects directly to the internet to log data. And it also has pins for sensors. And this IoT kit that it came with has a lot of peripheral sensors. It also has a servo motor. This will be less expensive than the Keys Studio that we are using. This is actually less costly because we do not need a separate board to upload data to the cloud. This ThingSpeak data that we're using here can be uploaded directly from this micro IoT board, IoT bit. I'll show you where I got it and what I'm talking about. This is the starter kit, $69.90, $70, and it's got these parts in it, including a servo motor. What this does not come with, you should be aware of, it does not come with the little battery for the clock. Right here you can see the clock battery location, which is behind the microbit, and it takes this battery, which I found at a local hardware store. This is the actual house without any of these additional parts. $16.90. This is the code that I've used, and there are several things I found out. I had to go to Discord to the community for Elecfreaks and ask questions about why this was not connecting to the internet. They said, first of all, it has to operate at 2.4 gigahertz, and I found that my smartphone, which I'm currently connected to, operates at that level, and they said you can't have any secondary security keys like some public schools have. That would be something somebody has to check out. Also, I found this board does not connect to Wi-Fi if it does not have enough electric power. This is 5-volt input. When I plugged this into my battery bank, it was not giving enough power to drive the board. So that's important to remember. You have to have enough electricity going in here, and apparently some of these battery banks do not put out enough electricity. So I've got it programmed. When I press this button, it'll generate a random number, and then that will be uploaded to the cloud. And then I've got this dial that shows the number also, any number between 0 and 10. So there will be more about this.